AquaSync Support System. Request help. Report a bug. If you ever encounter an issue while using AquaSync, our support system is built directly into the platform. Here's how to send a message to our team. First, launch AquaSync. Next, open any program where you are experiencing the issue. In the top right corner, click the Account button. From the drop-down menu, select Request Help, Report a Bug. A support window will appear. From the drop-down menu, choose the type of report. I want help using the program. I want to report a bug. I want to suggest a feature. Then enter a detailed message describing the issue. Please include helpful information such as the platform you are using, your operating system and version, your web browser and version, and a clear description of what happened. The more detail you provide, the faster we can diagnose and resolve the issue. Once your message is complete, click Submit. Your report will be sent directly to our development and support team. Most requests receive a response within 24 hours. Thank you for helping us continue improving AquaSync for everyone.